Hi, it's me, Aima. As you can see, my lips are extremely dry and get scaling. I can't even smile because it cracks and bleeds. I don't like this situation at all. I don't even know how to get rid of it. Oh, I find out what should I do. I mix 2 tablespoons of brown sugar with a tablespoon of olive oil. And added a fresh lemon. And stirred them well. To finalize it, I added a droplet of red food coloring to my ingredients. That's it, my best homemade lip scrub is ready now. I put it on with my finger and massaged it to help it absorb well. Cleaned it after 20 minutes. Until the next time.